Yesterday on my Gray Man Prepping channel, I canned cowboy beans using both the Presto and All American pressure canners. I did 10 quart jars, and I had a little left over, but I went ahead and ate that yesterday. Anyways, so on this here, I had two lids that were newer lids, and the one failed, so I now have a plastic gasket lid, and I just pulled this back out of the refrigerator. But all of these other lids, these were our Kerr lids from the 1970s, early 1970s. My mom bought a gross of boxes of 12, so it's 12 gross lids of Kerr brand lids back in 1972, and all of those sealed very good. This modern one, that's is basically the same thing as a ball lid now. Does not feel, it's holding, it's tight, but it just doesn't feel right. When I touch these, totally different sound and texture to it. So yeah, these old ones, these old ones were when I pulled it out of the canner on the video, you could hear them pinging almost immediately. They had such a good tight seal on it. So yeah, this is what I had, and this is what came out, and yep. So I got nine sealed quarts of cowboy beans, and one that I'm going to be uh, eating over the next week here. All right, take care, everyone.